To stream with OBS Studio in 2026, follow this simple step-by-step setup. First, download and install OBS Studio from the official website and open it. Go to Settings, Arrow Stream, and choose your platform such as YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Log into your account or paste your stream key, which you can get from your platform's creator dashboard. Next, go to Settings, Arrow Video, and set base resolution to your screen resolution and output resolution to 1920 by 1080 for good quality. Set FPS to 30 for normal streaming or 60 for gaming streams. Go to Settings, Arrow Output, and choose bitrate based on your internet speed. For 1080p streaming, 4500 to 6000 kilobits per second is usually good. Now create a scene in the Scenes box by clicking the plus button. In Sources, click plus and add Display Capture for screen streaming or Game Capture for games. Add Video Capture Device if you want to show your webcam. Check Audio Mixer to ensure your microphone and system audio are working properly. Before going live, click Start Streaming and test everything for a few seconds. Make sure your internet upload speed is stable for smooth streaming. Once everything is working fine, continue streaming normally. Click Stop Streaming when you are done. This is the complete beginner guide to streaming with OBS Studio in 2026.